Hi, today we have French locks, Bricard and Thirard, also Bricard other model with an interactive element. The same element you can see on this tool. But today we are going to show these simple models of Bricard and Thirard without an interactive element. Both of them can be opened by this one tool. The foil was already prepared before. We use foil number 6 for it mostly, but sometimes it also can be used foil number 5. You just need to put it on the tool, flatten it to shape. You can find this foil on our website. They are very easy to open. So that's it. In the same way you can open Thirard, but for this with an interactive element you must use other tool. The prices you can find on our website.